When you're coming from Bávaro, there are two different routes that you can take by car or with a motorbike. Coming to Pedro Sanchez, where the waterfall, the Cascada Blanca is. The first one would be leaving Bávaro and going to Higüey, that's the capital of La Altagracia. From Higüey to El Ceibo, and from El Ceibo to Pedro Sanchez. You can see it here on Google, as well as the time that you approximately need to get there. Both routes are very, very beautiful. So when I go, I usually take one route going there, and then I take the other one for the way back. The second one from Bávaro is leaving Bávaro in direction of Nisibón, Las Lagunas de Nisibón. And then driving on to Miches, and then drive over the mountains, and this is what you see over here, over the mountains from Miches to Pedro Sanchez. Both routes lead you to Pedro Sanchez, obviously, where the waterfall is. And we are going to visit the waterfall today, La Cascada Blanca. I made an appointment with a local guide over the telephone before I came here, and we met just here outside of Pedro Sanchez. Anselmo, my guide, only speaks Spanish. There are some local guides here in Pedro Sanchez, but since the pandemic they don't have really a lot of work, so everybody is working more jobs. And he took the day off to show me the way to the waterfall. It's a small village and everybody knows everybody, so Anselmo asked if we can leave the bikes in here. He knows the owner of the house, because I didn't want to take all my stuff with me. And then this is how the tour started, climbing over the gate. I haven't done that in a while. Okay, we're walking. It's already quite hot, and you see that we climbed a gate. So I asked him if this is private property, and he said it's Central Romana, but we can go here just because we are only two people. He didn't ask for the key. Oh, we are still young and can climb over it. Okay, going here next to the river already. ¿Cómo se llama ese río?
Río Ceibo.
¿Río?
Río Ceibo.
Ceibo.
Sí, Río Ceibo. Nace de
Río
acá,
Ceibo.
y
Okay.
pues es el Ceibo.
¿Es el río de la Cascada?
Ajá.
Ah, okay. So this is the river, and we're going to follow to the waterfall. Just at the beginning of the tour, there is this pool-like place in the river where you can go inside. It's very nice. Of course, the water of the river is fresh. So when they have a tour, and not everybody wants to go up to the waterfall, or some people maybe cannot go up to the waterfall, this is where they spend the time. Relax, take a bath, refresh. It's beautiful. Put on good walking shoes, and then maybe long pants and a long shirt. It's in the jungle, and there are a couple of mosquitoes. It wasn't as bad as the last waterfall I've been to, but still there are mosquitoes. And then of course, when you want to go into the water, bring a bathing suit and a towel. As well, we had something to drink with us because it's an hour hike. For us it was 45 minutes, an hour one way, and you maybe want to have a sip of water in between. I can't really look where I'm filming because I have to look where I put my my feet, so I'm not falling into the river. So if it's a little bit shaky, Please excuse. As well, I did not put the big microphone because I need the hands free. One thing is for sure, spectacular views are waiting for you. And then finally the first view of the waterfall, La Cascada Blanca. We walked a little down from the big waterfall, and this is where we came. The same river, of course, Cascada Blanca here, the Rio Anselmo. And it's a little pool where you can also go inside for a little swim. So beautiful. We're walking a little bit through the jungle. It's a little hike, but I'm not so fit. That's why probably my face is still red. And plus, since the pandemic, they didn't have much customers here doing this hike. So it's all a little overgrown right now. They said before the pandemic they had almost every day a tour here, and then this way was much easier to walk. So, but that said, remember, I'm over 50. I'm not very fit and I still could do it. So if you're a normal travel person who's like 20, 30, 40, shouldn't be a problem at all. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I'm not putting the microphone because I have to hold on. I'm moving a lot and I don't want to have it hanging somewhere, lose it somewhere. So if you don't hear me, I'm sorry. My guide, obviously, Anselmo, is fit because he can walk and talk on the phone at the same time. He doesn't need any extra breath to walk. So for everybody that wants to go, I do recommend you to go with the guide. I came here the first time because I read in the internet it's very easy to find and to do by yourself. I cannot agree. I have a couple of times on the road or on the way through the jungle, I was like, oh, there are two ways. Which one would I have chosen if I would have been alone? Probably always the one next to the river. But well, if you're not from here, I recommend you take a guide. I will put your Anselmo's number down below. You need to speak Spanish. Anselmo doesn't speak any English. Sorry for that. Wow, look at this. So this is of course slippery when it's wet. Okay, so just have an idea. Okay, as you can see, it's not for everybody. I would say if I would have known, I wouldn't probably not have come here, but as many times in life, now I'm happy that I did it. Very well deserved and such a good feeling after the hike. Así se ve mejor.
Sí.
Okay guys, thank you for watching Punta Cana All You Can See. We are at the end of our tour. On the other side of the road there are our motorbikes, and I'm leaving here from Pedro Sanchez and go back to Bávaro, Punta Cana. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the Cascada Blanca. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm really happy and I will be motivated to enter the jungle again for you guys and look for another waterfall or maybe a cave. Anselmo said there is a cool cave here close, and adventures are endless. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you.
If you want to see more videos here from the beautiful Dominican Republic, check out the playlist here at Punta Cana All You Can See. There are excursions, hotel information, general information, places where you can go to eat. So there is quite a lot already that you can check out before you come and visit here. In the next video, we are going to Hotel La Loma, that's in Miches, and it's coming right after this one because it's a nice combination. If you want to visit more places here in this area, Pedro Sanchez or Miches, or if you want to do the waterfall but don't want to travel the whole round in one day. So next Friday, Hotel La Loma and Miches. Get ready, and I see you in the next video.